Hey, welcome to Diversity in Cinema Academy. I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an independent filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. So y'all, are we on the 24th video? Because I got one more video in me, so I might give y'all a bonus video, okay? Hey, so yes, we are on the 24th video of my 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas series. Yay, we finally made it. So in this video is going to be all about color correction and color grading. Now, a lot of times when a cinematographer shoot, and you want to do this, they usually shoot the film flat, so it's kind of void of colors. Now, on some of these really great cameras, 4K digital cameras, you know, the ARRI and the Red, it might kind of look good to the eye, maybe, but really it's flat. And so you need to get color correction. So the reason why they shoot flat is because they can manipulate the colors to their liking. So that is the reason why they do that. So that's why you need a colorist to help bring that picture to life, so it can be beautiful and where it can be seamless. Because say for instance, we can start shooting like I'm shooting up in here, and maybe my light shifts, right? And your cinematographer should be on top of this too, you know, while they're shooting. But say for instance, you start shooting in a location at, you know, 7 o'clock in the morning, but you don't get finished, and you're in that one place all the way up until, you know, I don't know, noon, 3 p.m. or whatever. That light has shifted because, you know, the sun is moving, right? And so now you have to start making adjustments. The cinematographer needs to be making those adjustments as well when they see that light is shifting like that. But if they didn't get it 100% correct, the colorist can come in and make it completely even, and then they can give you a whole balanced outlook throughout your entire film. So that is the reason why you want a colorist, because you want to make sure that you don't have this where it's going in and out to all of these different colors and it's just looking odd, and you know, they're distracted, because at this point they're distracted because it's like, why is it doing that? So that is what the color correction helps do for the film. Another thing that they do is color grading. So say for instance, if you wanted to have a scene where you wanted to put like a red overlay over it because, you know, maybe it's heated. So it's psychological, because if you're choosing colors, the reason why you're choosing those colors is because maybe you're trying to show rage, right? You know, like something went from, you know, I'm cool as a fan, so it's blue, and I wouldn't suggest this, but I'm just giving the idea. You cool as a fan, and then somebody just pissed you off, and then it's heightened to red. You know what I mean? So those are the things that you can do with color. It's understanding colors and how psychologically they impact your audience when they're watching it. So those are my few little tips about hiring a colorist. A colorist can do so much more than those two little steps. Those are big steps, but these are the few little tips that I'm going to give you in this video. If you want to learn a little bit more about a colorist, you can head on over to Diversity in Cinema Academy's website and check out the job profile section. All right, hey, that's it, y'all. Okay, no, seriously, I have a bonus tip for you. And I am going to do it in my last video. So I'm actually giving y'all 25 filmmaking tips till Christmas. Or should I drop it on Christmas? Which one y'all think I'm going to do? Hey. Hey, thanks for tuning in to my 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. If you are enjoying this series, be sure to visit Diversity in Cinema Academy's website, where they have a ton of resources there. If you're interested in leveling up your film business, you can check out my online course,